Hi fellow staff members, we're here to remind you that Giving Day 2018 is Wednesday, April 25th.
From one staff member to another, we hope that you will consider giving what you can.
It's not the amount you give that matters, it's about the act of giving.
And remember that your gift will combine with other gifts, and before we know it, we've made a mountain out of an anthill.
We all have different reasons to give. So Jason, why do you give?
I give because I'm an alum and I'm grateful for the opportunity afforded by attending Irvine, both as an undergrad and as a graduate student. I also give as a staff member to underscore the service orientation and the nature of working for a public institution. I believe in education as a public service, and I want to give back to my community by spending my time and my money here.
That's awesome, Jason. I give to pay it forward. The UCI community is like a second family to me. During these past 6 years, staff have invested their time to mentor me as an undergrad and now a full-time employee. I contribute any way I can to help others feel like UCI is their home too. What about you, Coach?
I'm an alum, this is where I live, this is my community. I do whatever I can to support the vision of our leaders. I know that we have a tremendous foundation in place at UC Irvine, and I know that my financial support will amplify UCI's growth, whether that's in our footprint, our programs, our students, our athletes, faculty, staff, wherever we're passionate.
That's wonderful. I was a first-generation college student, and I'm proud to work at an institution that believes and supports the American dream, and I give back so that young people could have the opportunities that they otherwise wouldn't have if UCI didn't exist.
Being an alumni member and a staff member here at UC Irvine, I grew and developed so much during my time that I felt like it was really important, and it always is important, to give back to public higher education and especially UCI, to have them and have students have the UCI experience alive in the future.
Those are all excellent reasons. I personally received a staff scholarship, and with that scholarship, I was able to take courses in higher education counseling, allowing me to move forward in my career. I want other staff members to have the same opportunities I did to progress in their careers. Just like Monica, I paid to give it forward. Remember, Giving Day 2018 is Wednesday, April 25th. Please give what you can.
And together, we'll make a mountain out of an anthill.
Thank you for giving.
Zat, zat, zat.